Welcome to the fascinating world of hydrogen engines. Today, we'll explore how this incredible technology works. First, the process starts with the extraction of hydrogen from a suitable source, such as water or natural gas. The extracted hydrogen is then compressed and stored in a high-pressure tank ready for use as fuel. When needed, the hydrogen is released and sent into the engine, where it combines with oxygen from the air. This reaction produces energy, heat, and water vapor as byproducts, making it a clean and efficient power source.